Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel e-learning maths Dr. Patil. In this video, we shall learn partial differential equations classification with some MCQs. Dear friends, if you are not subscribed the channel e-learning maths Dr. Patil, subscribe it for getting updates from the channel. Don't forget to press bell icon, press like button if you like the video, and share this video with your friends so that many students can watch video and get benefit. We shall see the classification of first order partial differential equation and some multiple choice questions on that. A partial differential equation can be classified as follows. The partial differential equation of first order can be classified as follows. First, linear. A first order PDE f of xyz pq equal to 0 is said to be linear if it is linear in p, q and z. This differential equation is of the form p of xy into p plus q of xy into q equal to r of xyz plus s of xy. Second type, semilinear. The first order PDE f of xyz pq is said to be semilinear if it is linear in p and q and the coefficients of p and q are functions of x and y only. This is of the form p of xyp plus q of xy into q equal to r of xyz. Third is quasi-linear. A first order partial differential equation f of xyz pq equal to 0 is said to be quasi-linear if it is linear in p and q and it is of the form p of xyz into p, q of xyz into q equal to r of xyz. And fourth and last type, non-linear. A first order PDE f of xyz pq equal to 0 is said to be non-linear if it do not come under any of the above three categories or any of the three types. That means the differential equation is not linear, not semi-linear, not quasi-linear. Now let us see some examples or some multiple choice questions on this point. First question, the PDE PQ equal to Z is of the form. Options are linear, B semi-linear, C quasi-linear, D non-linear. Here PQ equal to Z, it is a non-linear type of differential equation, hence the answer is D. Second, the PDE yp plus xq equal to xyz plus x is A linear, B semi-linear, C quasi-linear, D non-linear. This differential equation is linear differential equation. Therefore, option is A. The PDE e raised to x p minus xyq equal to xz square is A linear, B semi-linear, C quasi-linear, D non-linear. This differential equation is semi-linear. Therefore, option is B. Fourth, x square plus z square into p plus xy into q equal to z cube x plus y square is A linear, B semi-linear, C quasi-linear, D non-linear. Here this differential equation is quasi-linear type and hence correct option is C. Which of the following is linear equation? A p square plus q square equal to 1, B xp plus yq equal to z square, C xp plus yq equal to nz, and D pz into p plus q equal to 0. Here p square plus q square equal to 1 is not linear in p and q. B xp plus yq equal to z square is not linear in z, but xp plus yq equal to nz is linear in all the three variables p, q and z, and hence it is a linear differential equation and hence correct option is C. Which of the following is almost linear PDE? Options are xp plus yq equal to z square, B p square plus q square equal to z square, zp plus q equal to z x square p plus y square q equal to z square. Here it is asked that almost linear. Almost linear means semi-linear. Here xp plus yq equal to z square is a semi-linear differential equation. That's why correct option is A. Seventh, the PDE z square into 1 plus dou z by dou x bracket square plus dou z by dou y bracket square equal to 1 is A. Linear, B. Semi-linear, C. Quasi-linear, D. Non-linear. Here in this problem we shall put dou z by dou x equal to P, dou z by dou y equal to Q, dou z by dou y equal to Q. Therefore, the differential equation becomes z square into 1 plus p square plus q square equal to 1. This is non-linear differential equation and hence correct option is D. Next problem, z equal to x plus a x square y square plus b is a solution of PDE. xp minus yq equal to x, xp plus yq equal to x, xp minus yq plus x equal to 0, xp plus yq plus x equal to 0. Here the given equation is z equal to x plus ax square y square plus b. In this we shall differentiate this equation with respect to x and with respect to y. Therefore, dou z by dou x equal to 1 plus 2 ax square ax y square, which is nothing but p. Dou z by dou x is p. And differentiating the same equation with respect to y, dou z by dou y equal to 0 plus 2ax square y. This is nothing but q. If we eliminate a from these two equations, we have to multiply first equation by x and second by y and subtract them. xp minus yq equal to x plus 2ax square y square minus 2ax square y square. 2ax square y square and minus 2ax square y square get cancelled and there remains only x. Therefore, xp minus yq equal to x. Therefore, the given equation is a solution of xp minus yq equal to x and hence correct option is A. Next problem, q square plus p square equal to 1 is, options are linear first order PDE, linear second order PDE, non-linear first order PDE and non-linear second order PDE. Clearly this equation is non-linear equation and it is of first order. Therefore, this is a first order non-linear PDE and hence correct option is C. Differential equation formed from the equation z equal to xy plus f of x square y square is A. yp minus xq equal to y square minus x square, yq minus xp equal to y square minus x square, yp plus xq equal to y square minus x square, yq plus xp equal to x square plus y square. Here we shall differentiate the given equation z equal to xy plus f of x square y square with respect to x and with respect to y to obtain p and q. Therefore, dou z by dou x equal to y plus 2x into f dash x square plus y square. This is nothing but p. Dou z by dou y equal to x plus 2y into f dash x square plus y square. This is nothing but q. If we eliminate f dash from these two, for that purpose we shall multiply first equation by y and second by x and subtract them. Therefore, yp minus xq equal to y square minus x square and hence correct option is A. Differential equation formed from the function f of xy, x plus y minus z equal to 0 is, options are A. px minus qy equal to x minus y, B. px minus qy equal to x plus y, C. px plus qy equal to x minus y and px plus qy equal to x plus y. Here the given relation is of the form f of uv equal to 0. where u equal to xy and v equal to x plus y minus z. And if the given relation is of the form f of uv equal to 0, then the required partial differential equation is pp plus qq equal to r, where this capital P, capital Q and capital R can be obtained as follows. P equal to dou uv by dou yz, which is nothing but Jacobian, that is determinant of dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y, divided by dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y, dou u by dou z, dou v by dou z. And if we calculate these derivatives, we will obtain determinant of x, 1, 0, minus 1, which is nothing but minus x. Q equal to dou uv by dou zx. It is equal to determinant dou u by dou z, dou v by dou z, dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x, which is nothing but 0, minus 1, y, 1, which is nothing but y. And R can be obtained by Jacobian dou uv by dou xy. That is nothing but determinant dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y, which is nothing but determinant y1 x1, that is nothing but y minus x. And hence required PDE is PP plus QQ equal to R, that is nothing but minus XP plus YQ equal to minus y equal to y minus x, minus XP plus YQ equal to y minus x, that is XP minus YQ equal to x minus y, and hence correct option is A. The PDE obtained from the function f of x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0 is A. Z minus y into p plus x minus z into q equal to y minus x. B. Y minus z into p plus x minus z into q equal to y minus x. C. Z minus y into p plus z minus x into q equal to y minus x. And D. Z minus y into p plus z minus x into q equal to x minus y. Here p is nothing but Jacobian, and that Jacobian is 2 times z minus y. Q is a Jacobian obtained as in previous problem 2 times x minus z, and R equal to 2 times x minus y. Let us try to calculate that. P equal to dou uv by dou yz. Q equal to dou uv by dou zx, and R equal to dou uv by dou xy. This is nothing but dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y, dou u by dou z, dou v by dou z. This is nothing but dou u by dou z, dou v by dou z, dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x. This is equal to dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y. Now we shall calculate these values from given relation. In given relation, u is x plus y plus z, and v is x square plus y square plus z square. Therefore, dou u by dou y equal to 1, dou v by dou y equal to 2y, dou u by dou z equal to 1, dou v by dou z equal to 2z. This is equal to 2z minus 2y, that is 2 times z minus y. Similarly, dou u by dou z is 1, dou v by dou z is 2z, dou u by dou x is 1, dou v by dou x is 2x. And this is nothing but 2x minus 2z, that is 2 times x minus z. This is equal to dou u by dou x 1, dou v by dou x 2x, dou u by dou y 1, dou v by dou y 2y. That is equal to 2y minus 2x equal to 2 times y minus x. Substituting these values in the PP plus QQ equal to R, we get 2 times z minus y into P plus 2 times x minus z into Q equal to 2 times y minus x. 2 can be cancelled from both sides, and equation is z minus yp plus x minus zq equal to y minus x, which is nothing but option A, and hence correct option is A. Next question, Lagrange's equation is linear, semi-linear, quasi-linear, non-linear. Lagrange's equation is of the form P of xyz p plus Q of xyz q equal to R of xyz, and which is quasi-linear, hence correct option is C. Singular integral of a PDE is line integral, solution, volume integral, and none of the above. We know that singular integral of a PDE is a solution of the differential equation, and hence correct option is B. Next problem, solution of a partial differential equation which do not fall under any of the three classes, complete integral, general integral, and single integral, is called as quasi-general integral, semi-general integral, special integral, and none of the above. Such types of solution, that means the solution of a partial differential equation which do not fall under any of the three category or three classes, complete integral, general integral, and singular integral, is called as special integral, and hence correct option is C. Singular integral can be found from the PDE itself without knowing any. Options are general integral, special integral, complete integral, and none. Here, singular integral can be found from a PDE itself without knowing any complete integral, and hence correct option is C. A two-parameter family of solutions z equal to f of xy ab is called as complete integral of a PDE f of xyz pq equal to 0 in the rank of the, if the rank of the matrix, if the rank of the matrix M equal to matrix fa, f of xa, fya, fb, fxb, fyb is. Options are 1, 2, 3, 0. Here, a two-parameter family of solutions z equal to f of xy ab is called as complete integral of a partial differential equation f of xyz pq equal to 0 if and only if the rank of the matrix is 2, and hence correct option is B. By eliminating p and q from the equations f of xyz pq equal to 0, fp xyz pq equal to 0, and fq xyz pq equal to 0, we can obtain general solution, B complete solution, C singular solution, and D special solution. If we eliminate P and Q from these three equations, f of xyz pq equal to 0, fp xyz pq equal to 0, fq xyz pq equal to 0, then we get singular solution, and hence correct option is C. To find the integral surface of a given partial differential equation which contains the given curve is called as Lagrange's problem, Cauchy's problem, Papien problem, and none. Here, in Cauchy's problem, we find the integral surface of the given PDE which contains the given curve, and hence correct option is B. Auxiliary equations of the problem xp plus yq equal to zr, dx by x equal to dy by y equal to dz by dz, b dx by x equal to dy by y equal to dz by minus z, c dx by y equal to dy by x equal to dz by z, d dx by z equal to dy by x equal to dz by y. Auxiliary equations of the partial differential equation pp plus qq equal to r are dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Hence, the correct option is dx by x equal to dy by y equal to dz by z. And hence, correct option is A. Next problem. Auxiliary equations of the differential equation zt plus z into zx equal to 0 equal to r. Dx by z equal to dt by 0 equal to dz by 1. Dt by 1 equal to dx by z equal to dz by 0. Dx by x equal to dt by t equal to dz by z and none. Here, if we arrange this differential equation in the form of pp plus qq equal to r, we get dt by t equal to dx by z equal to dz by 0, and hence correct option is B. A curve which is nothing but the intersection of two surfaces u equal to c1 and v equal to c2, and the line through each point of the curve with direction ratios pqr is actually the tangent to the curve at that point is called as. See again the problem. The curve which is nothing but the intersection of two surfaces u equal to c1, v equal to c2, and the line through each point of the curve with drs pqr is actually the tangent to the curve at that point is called as general curve, complete curve, characteristic curve, and none. That is, characteristic curve is the correct option of this problem. If the Papian differential equation sigma fi of x1, x2, x3, xn dxi equal to 0, the coefficient functions fi are continuous, integrable, differentiable, and none. We know that in Papian differential equation, the coefficient functions are continuous, hence correct option is A. A Papian differential equation in more than two variables is always integrable, may not be integrable, always non-integrable, none. Papian differential equation. A Papian differential equation in more than two variables is may not be integrable, hence correct option is B.